baptized by a streetcar. Got wind of us slow car cache days. By slow, I mean 10 or 11 seconds and slower. It's going to be going on tonight. And I thought about taking my Nova, putting nitrous on it. It's really not safe. So I bought a nitrous kit for this thing last night. Yeah. So then I thought about maybe taking Tommy's truck, and I was like, what better time for Tommy to get his feet wet, you know, and do some racing. So we're bolting cow tracks on it right now. They're actually homemade, based off of cow tracks. We had a guy make these out of Oklahoma for us, I don't know, 5 years ago. And buddy down the street has an S10, and we had some for his also. So he's never used them. His truck sat for 5 years, and you know, whatever. But luckily, had a set right down the road. We're gonna bolt them on, and with any luck, we might making some test hits here in a little bit, as long as we got all the parts and pieces that we need and everything comes apart nicely.
We'll throw some slicks on too.
Yeah, throw some slicks on.
What's on your truck now? Radials or slicks?
It's got slicks on it right now.
All right, you just want to rob those?
If you want to do that, or if you want to put the radials on, it's up to you.
What do you think?
I don't know.
Either way, it's going to be better than hard tires. So.
Will not come out because the fuel tank's there. So what I was thinking is cut it off and use this bolt because it's the same. I've got two of those,
yeah.
So and then I can just punch it in this side and have the nut on the back end.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I was just going to cut the bolt off right there. That way I can get the mouse track in there.
Yeah.
Because otherwise the fuel tank's going to have to come out.
That's fine. You can do that.
Just cut the bolt there.
Yeah. Do you have a cutoff wheel?
Yeah.
I promise you, this thing is capable of running close to what that is on a no prep track. I promise you, it ain't far off.
Well, on a motor.
On nitrous with both kits lit.
I would make sure that those are set evenly.
Is that why you want to move? Junior, why are you using a wood framing hammer instead of
The ball peen hammer is with Mom. Because the starter is bad on it, so we've been using it to hit it.
Well, how's that going to work when the hole in the bracket is so much bigger than the bolt?
It's got these bushings.
Oh, okay. There's bushings. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got a spacer on each end and a bushing.
All right.
Spacer.
That ain't right, buddy.
No.
So we are currently at my Uncle Tim's machine shop, and we are getting some bushings made for our traction bars. The kit that we got didn't come with the correct bushings, so my uncle's making some right now, and hopefully we can go home and put this thing together and start testing with it. We're gonna have to show up on a radial tonight. That's the stipulation. So we're gonna be foot braking Tommy's S10 on a radial tire, on motor, no nitrous. So we'll see how it goes. You can see we drove Dirty Deeds out here. It's the daily.
What do we owe you, Tim?
No.
Well, that's not gonna do. Huh?
I wish all jobs were that easy.
That's perfect, man. Thank you. All right, let's get back to
Still
shop.
hauling gravel?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have you haul a load here sometime.
All right. What do you need? Feel about the same. No matter what you do, it ain't gonna clear it.
They cut some off here.
It's either that or take that spring, that leaf out.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we've got Tommy's traction bars on, we've got the radials bolted up. We are going to make our first test hit with the S10, and immediately after we're going to a street race. So one test hit is all Tommy's gonna get, and then he's off to the wolves. So we'll see how this thing goes. Hopefully it hooks and goes straight. Nervous? Nah. Alright guys, so we're headed out to Tommy's first ever street race tonight, and we just made one test hit. It was pretty decent, still getting used to it, but he did a good job. He pedaled it, made a decent A to B pass, went pretty good mile an hour based on the draggy. So hopefully he can do some good tonight, and the main thing is just to have fun, get some seat time, and enjoy. So hopefully we can get some good video for you guys. See you there.
Thing's not turning the alternator. Turn the fan off. Turn everything off.
So, in typical fashion, something broke. The alternator went out on the drive here, so no racing tonight. I'm gonna have to go back to AutoZone tomorrow and return the alternator they gave me that's wrong. I was trying to rush and get something, and they sold me the wrong thing. So, yep, that'll do it for tonight. Hopefully, better luck the rest of this week or maybe next week. They already started racing.
Tommy.
Won his first street race. That's the first time he's ever raced.
That's the first time
He's gone
it's supposed to run good.
70s? When was that? 40.
We're protesting.
How was it?
Good.
How'd it feel?
I'm good. I'm not nervous. I'm just a little shaky, but I feel good.
That's good.
Won your first street race.
I didn't even know I don't know who that was. All right, that don't count.
He's supposedly the fastest guy here.
No.
Yeah, that's what they said.
I made a. Yeah, you're funny. You're fucking with me.
I'm serious.
Okay. Good one.
What is it?
He's messing with me.
What'd he say?
He said he's the fastest guy here.
So you showed up. All right, guys. So we made it to the street race spot. By the time we got here, the shootout was over, but there was still some grudge action to be had. Tommy managed to race a little Mustang, some 10-second Mustang through a stick shift, and got him by 4 cars. So that was Tommy's first street race, and he won, and he baptized him. So
Are we ready?
yeah, we're ready to go if you want to go.
We're going back home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you wanted to watch these 2 Mustangs run. I don't
Oh, they're getting ready to race?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll stay and watch that.
All right. So, yeah, Tommy drove the shit out of the truck. That's his 3rd pass in that truck, and I couldn't be more proud of him. He obviously can drive. I was worried for a long time. I wasn't sure, but good job, buddy. Oh, and also thank you to Ricky Schlitz for bringing us the alternator. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have been able to make it out here. So thanks, man.